Ethos Wallet App. The pros, the cons. The Ethos Wallet app promises to put the power of the blockchain back into your hands. But does it really deliver? Let's explore the pros and cons to find out. Starting with the pros, Ethos shines in its mission of universal access. It supports multiple blockchains, allowing users to store Bitcoin, Ethereum, and dozens of other assets in one place. It's a multi-asset wallet built for both simplicity and security. One of its standout features is the smart key system. Instead of relying on a single private key, Ethos uses advanced encryption and a recovery phrase that makes securing your funds both safer and easier. This gives users the best of both worlds, control over their assets without the fear of losing access forever. Ethos also has an integrated interface, allowing users to interact directly with decentralized applications or dApps without leaving the wallet. This means you can swap, stake, or trade tokens seamlessly. Another plus is its user-friendly interface. Ethos is designed to help everyday users navigate the world of crypto with confidence, offering educational resources, portfolio tracking, and transaction insights all in one dashboard. Now, let's look at the cons. While Ethos supports many coins, it still lags behind some competitors in terms of total token coverage, especially newer altcoins and niche DeFi assets. Another limitation is transaction speed. Because Ethos relies on direct blockchain confirmations, transactions can take longer and cost more in network fees than custodial apps like Coinbase or Strike. And while Ethos offers great self-custody tools, that comes with a learning curve. If you lose your recovery phrase, your funds are gone. There's no customer support to bring them back. In conclusion, the Ethos Wallet app is perfect for users who value control, transparency, and true decentralization. The surprising truth? It may not be the fastest or easiest wallet, but for those who believe in owning their crypto outright, it's a top-tier choice.